Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. It was opined that there may be cases where expenditure, even if incurred for obtaining an advantage of enduring benefit, may, nonetheless, be on the revenue account, and the test of enduring benefit may break down, but what is material to consider is the nature of the advantage in a numerical sense, and it is only where the advantage is in the capital field, that the expenditure would be disallowable on an application of this test, full stop. If the advantage consists merely in facilitating the SSC's training operations or enabling the management and conduct of the SSC's business to the carried on more effectively or more profitably while leaving the fixed capital untouched, the expenditure would be on the revenue account, even though the advantage may endure for an indefinite future, full stop, para. A reference was also made to the judgment in Messrs. Empire Jute Company Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax to contend that what may be a capital receipt in the hands of the payee, may be a revenue expenditure in relation to the prior, full stop. Para 5 of the said judgment read as under, full stop, para. In the first place, it is not a universally true proposition that what may be a capital receipt in the hands of the payee must necessarily be capital expenditure in relation to the prior, full stop. The fact that a certain payment constitutes income or capital receipt in the hands of the recipient is not material in determining whether the payment is revenue or capital disbursement qua the prior, full stop. It was facilitating pointed out by Macon J. in Race Course Betting Control Board versus Wild that a payment may be a revenue payment from the point of the prior and a capital payment from the point of view of the receiver and vice versa, full stop. Therefore, the decision in Maheshwari Devi Jute Mills case cannot be regarded as an authority for the proposition that payment made by an SSC for purchase of loom hours would be capital expenditure, full stop. Whether it is capital expenditure would have to be determined having regard to the nature of the transaction and other relevant factors, full stop, para. On the other hand, Mr. Arjit Prasad, learned senior counsel, on behalf of the Revenue Department, submitted as under, full stop. Since the interest income received has merged with the monies in the common fund, it loses its revenue character, and becomes a capital receipt, full stop. The grants given to state governments and national cooperatives are not in the course of trade business of the appellant corporation, but are a mere application of income, full stop. The giving of grants was an application of income, hence it was not an expenditure, full stop. Even if it was to be considered as a case of expenditure, it would, at best, be in the nature of capital expenditure, full stop. The direct nexus of monies given as outright grants from the taxable interest income cannot be distinctly identified in the common fund, full stop, para. The Revenue Department sought to revive the debate on the issue repealed by the High Court, that is, that the income should be treated as income from other sources under Section 56 of the IT Act and not under Section 28 of the IT Act, full stop. The exemption, if any, thus, would be under Section 56 and not under Section 37 of the IT Act, full stop, para. We have given considerable thought to the rival contentions of learned counsels for the parties, even though the dispute is really in a narrow compass, full stop, para. The first aspect which would advert to each whether interest on loans or dividends would fall under the head of income from other sources under Section 56 of the IT Act, or would it amount to income from profits and gains of business or profession under head D of Section 14 of the IT Act, full stop. In terms of Section 28 of the IT Act, such profits and gains of any business or profession under the head D of Section 14 of the IT Act would be chargeable to income tax if the income is relatable to profits and gains of business, full stop, or